Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and also share my daily analysis on the currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, British Pound, USD, etc. So in this video, I'll be recommending few stocks for 5th March 2021 Friday. Okay, so this analysis is for Friday only. On Monday, I'll be coming again with Monday's analysis. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So I have a list of 5 to 6 stocks for the day, and the first stock is Aviva. Okay. And you can see that this is a daily time frame chart. Okay. Yesterday Aviva closed at 387.9. Okay, Aviva closed at 387, and it made a high of you see it made a high of 399. Okay, but the price could not sustain, and as a result price came down and ultimately closed below the resistance. Okay, there is a resistance at 390. It tried to cross, but it failed and ultimately closed at 387.9. So what you should be a strategy for the day for Aviva? For Aviva, what you can do is that you can short the stock below 384.3. Okay, if you find a stock that if you find a stock trading below 384.3 level, and if you see that there is good amount of selling pressure is there on the stock, then you can easily short it for the target of 380 level. Okay, or 378 379 level. On the other hand, if you find a stock again going upward, and if you see the stock struggling in and around the 390 level, okay, if you spot the stock around 390 level, and if you see that the stock is getting some resistance, getting some price rejection from above, then you can also short the stock because there is a resistance at 390 level. So the next stock for the day is where is the next stock? Okay, uh, FRES. So the next stock is Fresnillo. Okay, so you can see that Fresnillo is trading at 915. Okay, and you can see the stock is trading right above the daily support, which is at 300 892 level. Okay, apart from this pivot support, there is also support available from this price level. Okay, and you can see that market tried to go below this, but somehow it is respecting the support available at 892 level. Okay, and right now market is kinda successfully trading above the level. So if you get the stock above 915 level, okay, if you find a stock at 960, 970, 920 level, then you can go long. Okay, your target will be 950. Buy if you get the stock above 915 or 16 level. Okay, that's it. So the next stock for the day is Phoenix. So Phoenix right now trading at 738 level, and you can see there is a resistance at 739 level. Okay, so what should be your strategy for the day? Okay, you just let the stock cross this 741 level. Okay, if you find a stock trading above 741 level, or in case the stock opens gap up, okay, then also just let the stock trade above 741 level for at least 30 minutes. Let the resistance become the support. Just observe, just try to understand the market psychology, just try to understand whether the stock is trading comfortably above 741 level or not. If you see that okay, it is trading comfortably and the stock has made or converted the resistance as the support, then you can go for buy. Okay. Above 741 level. So actually I am not well today. My health is not well. So I am not having the uh, energy today. Okay. So the next up for the day is legal and general group. Okay. So legal and general group or LGEN has almost given a breakout on the daily time frame. So simple strategy is right now trading at 780, 281.5. So go long above 280 or 283. Okay. Long above 283 level. Okay. If you find a stock good enough above 283 level, go for it. So next stock is Lloyd's Banking. Okay, Lloyd's Banking, you can see that there was a resistance here, 40.34 level, and there is also price rejection was observed yesterday. Okay, it tried to cross the daily resistance, but it failed and ultimately closed just below the resistance level. Okay, right now trading at 40.34. So short the stock, or sell the stock below 39.8 level and go long above 41 level. Okay, if you see that stock, if you see the stock open below this resistance level and just observe or let the stock cross the level. Okay, in case there is a breakout also, in case there is a breakout above 41 level, let the stock to settle down for 30 minutes at least. Let the stock trade comfortably above the 41 level for 30 minutes at least. Let the resistance become the support, then only buy. In case you get the stock with good selling pressure below 39.8 level, then you can sell the stock. So the next stock for the day is Entain. For Entain, you can see that right, Entain is struggling very hard to cross this daily resistance level, which is at 1457 level, and ultimately it has somehow closed above the resistance level. Okay, and though it has given closing day for yesterday also and yesterday also, still we can see that the stock is struggling. Okay, struggling at this price zone. So what should be a strategy for the day? Okay, if you find a stock above 1473 level, okay, then you can go long. Okay, your target will be this 1509. So buy and take only above 1473. So this is the simple strategy for NT. Or you may face some resistance at 1494 level also. Okay, this level. If you find a stock struggling at 1494 level, okay, then you can exit, or you can just trail the stop loss. Okay, or you can do one thing. Suppose suppose you are buying 100 shares, then you can come out with 50 shares at 1494 level, and then you can continue your trade for 1509 level with 50 remaining shares. Okay, so this can be a strategy. Anyways, go long above 1473 level on Indeed. So this is a simple analysis for today, 5th March 2021, Friday. Okay, hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked my video and found the video informative, please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. I always bring analysis and recommendation just before the market open, so that you get to stay ahead of the market. And hopefully you are also making good money from my previous recommendations. Thank you so much.